With the response from the woman who is defending her actions. Alexa.
Good morning, Sam. Yes, we spoke with Sarah Crabtree on the phone, and she said she didn't know these animals were protected by state law, and now she's facing 5 misdemeanor charges from Arizona's Department of Game and Fish. Each of these charges could carry up to a $750 fine and up to 6 months in jail. Now, this is the post, the photos that quickly went viral. Crabtree says she has gotten more than a dozen death threats after posting them. Now, Gila monsters are considered a near-threatened species and are protected under state law, but they are venomous creatures and have a very powerful bite. Still, animal experts say people should not be so afraid of them.
Gila monsters just don't charge people and bite them. You're going to have to get really close to a Gila monster and provoke it in some way, like try and pick it up to get bitten. They can be driven off, and they really don't want to be around people.
Now, Crabtree responded to that saying, "I didn't do it just to do it for fun. I did it to protect myself and my family. I didn't know what to do, so I panicked. I went out there and killed it. It was on my property and I freaked out. I have dogs, small puppies, and an infant child." Now, the Arizona Department of Game and Fish says Gila monsters are native to brush-covered areas like this one, but if you do see them on your property, you can call the Department of Game and Fish to help remove them. Live on the east side, Alexa Liaco, KGUN-9 on your side.
Alexa, thanks so much. A 9 on Your Side viewer sent us these photos of her close encounter with a Gila monster last summer at her home in Catalina. She says her dogs came across this venomous lizard, so she lured it into a big box and released it into a vacant lot nearby. Keep in mind, the Gila monster is the largest lizard native to the United States. They primarily live underground and come out to eat and enjoy the sun. They eat bird eggs and newborn mammals. Their bites hurt but are not deadly. And we will keep you updated on any information about this story. Passengers are reporting longer lines at Tucson International Airport.